We're in Tassie. They let us back.
How extra is that?
Gosh, it doesn't look anything like its neighbours, does it?
Oh my god, the view from here is just stupid good.
Ride. Feeling confident?
Yeah. Very refreshing. Note to self, bring a towel. We are drip dry. We're checking into Pepper's Silo Hotel. Water to do a let us in. And I was commended on my pork chop eating abilities from the staff. Oh my gosh, I love this place so much. Every day I'm tripling. Oh, I've already sipped mine. I want one. I want one of those.
Thank you.
Let's go shoot a home tour. Where are we going to now?
We're going to have a rest, and then tomorrow, a whole nother day tomorrow. We'll let you know where we're going tomorrow.
We're on King Island. Very excited. Oh wow. And this is Wombat Lodge.